Welcome back. Today, we look into the world's best, gun-based close-in weapon systems. The last line of defense for any naval warships. With advanced radars, high rate of fire. These guns are capable of destroying incoming missiles, drones, helicopters, boats, etc. So guys, watch the full video to find out which CIWS dominates today's naval warfare. Okay, let's begin. The Zenith CIWS is a Swiss-origin naval close-in weapon system developed by Rheinmetall. While the system was designed and manufactured in Switzerland, the Turkish naval forces were the primary operators of the Zenith, deploying it on their Miko 200 frigates. First introduced in the late 1980s. Designed for last-line ship defense. It uses 425mm KBB autocannon barrels, capable of firing up to 3,400 rounds per minute. Its advanced radar and electro-optical tracking systems allow fast target detection and engagement against missiles, aircraft, and fast attack boats. With an effective range of around 4 kilometers, Zenith combines rapid reaction, precision targeting, and high reliability. Its multi-barrel design and autonomous technology make it one of the best gun-based CIWS systems currently in the world. The OSU-35K is a next-generation naval CIWS, developed by Radwar in Poland, as a replacement for older Soviet-era ship guns. Introduced into Polish Navy service in 2016, it features a 35mm KDA autocannon with a single barrel, firing around 550 rounds per minute. Its advanced radar, electro-optical tracking, thermal camera, and laser rangefinder provide high-precision target acquisition. The system can engage anti-ship missiles, aircraft, drones, helicopters, and fast attack boats at ranges up to 5.5 kilometers. Its programmable airburst ammunition, stealthy turret design, automation, and quick reaction capability make it highly effective. These strengths place OSU-35K among the world's best CIWS systems currently present. The Type 730 CIWS is a Chinese close-in weapon system, developed by China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation, for the People's Liberation Army Navy. Originating in the early 2000s and inducted around 2003, it was designed to counter modern anti-ship missile threats. The system features a 7-barrel 30mm Gatling gun, firing an incredible 4,200 to 5,800 rounds per minute. It uses TR-47C search radar, tracking radar, and electro-optical sensors for high-speed target acquisition. With an effective range of 3 to 5 kilometers, it can destroy missiles, aircraft, drones, and fast boats. Its rapid fire, automation, and advanced targeting technology make it one of the world's best CIWS systems. The AK-630 was developed by the Soviet Union in the 1960s, and entered service in 1976, as one of the world's first naval CIWS. Its upgraded version, the AK-630M2 Duet, was introduced by Russia in the 2000s. The original uses a 6-barrel 30mm rotary cannon, firing 4,000 to 5,000 rounds per minute, while the Duet doubles firepower with twin 6-barrel guns, reaching 10,000 rounds per minute. Guided by MR-123 radar and electro-optical systems, it targets missiles, aircraft, drones, and boats up to 5 kilometers. Its unmatched fire density and combat-proven reliability make it one of the best CIWS ever built. The Gökdeniz CIWS is a modern naval defense system, developed by Aselsan in Turkey. Its development began in the 2010s, and it entered service in 2022 on Turkish warships. Designed to protect against supersonic anti-ship missiles, drones, helicopters, and fast attack boats. It features twin 35mm automatic cannons, firing up to 1,100 rounds per minute. The system uses advanced AESA radar, electro-optical sensors, thermal cameras, and laser tracking for precision targeting. With a range of around 4 kilometers, Gökdeniz uses smart atom programmable airburst ammunition. Its high accuracy, advanced sensors, and modern automation make it one of the best CIWS systems today. The Millennium Gun-CIWS is a Swiss-designed naval defense system, developed by Germany. It is manufactured by Rheinmetall Air Defense, formerly Oerlikon CIWS, which is a subsidiary of the German defense giant Rheinmetall. Originating in the 1990s in Switzerland, it entered service in 2005. Built around a powerful single-barrel 35mm revolver cannon. It fires 1,000 rounds per minute with extreme precision. Its advanced radar integration, electro-optical tracking, and digital fire control system provide rapid target engagement. With a range of up to 5 kilometers, it can destroy anti-ship missiles, aircraft, drones, and fast boats. Its biggest advantage is the ahead programmable ammunition, releasing hundreds of tungsten sub-projectiles. This smart technology and high kill probability make it one of the best CIWS systems in the world. The Kashtan CIWS is a Russian hybrid naval defense system, developed by KBP Instrument Design Bureau in the late Soviet era. Originating in the 1980s and entering service in the 1990s, it combines guns and missiles for layered defense. The system features two 6-barrel 30mm GSH 6-30K rotary cannons, firing up to 10,000 rounds per minute. Guided by radar, electro-optical sensors, and automatic fire control systems, it can engage anti-ship missiles, aircraft, helicopters, drones, and fast boats, at ranges from 500 meters to 8 kilometers. Its gun-missile combination, massive firepower, and multi-layer interception make Kashtan one of the world's most powerful naval gun-based CIWS systems.
And now the top 3s. Before that, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thanks. Okay, at number 3.
The Phalanx Block 1B is an upgraded American close-in weapon system, developed by Raytheon Technologies in the United States. First introduced in the late 1970s, the Block 1B upgrade entered service in 1999, improving anti-surface and anti-air capabilities. It uses a 6-barrel 20mm M61A1 Gatling cannon, firing 4,500 rounds per minute. Equipped with Ku-band search and tracking radar, plus FLIR, and electro-optical sensors, it can engage anti-ship missiles, drones, helicopters, aircraft, and small boats, at ranges up to 3.5 kilometers. Its autonomous targeting, rapid reaction time, combat-proven reliability, and precision make Phalanx Block 1B one of the best CIWS systems ever built in the world. The Goalkeeper CIWS is a Dutch naval defense system, developed by Thales Nederland in the Netherlands during the 1970s, entering service in 1979. Designed for last-ditch ship protection, it uses a powerful 7-barrel 30mm GAU-8 Avenger Gatling cannon, firing an incredible 4,200 rounds per minute. Unlike many CIWS systems, Goalkeeper combines search radar, tracking radar, and electro-optical systems in one autonomous unit for faster reaction. Its effective range is around 1.5 to 3 kilometers, against anti-ship missiles, aircraft, drones, and fast boats. Its armor-piercing ammunition, extreme firepower, advanced tracking, and proven reliability make Goalkeeper one of the world's deadliest and best naval gun-based CIWS systems at present.
And now, finally at number 1, we have the Type 1130 CIWS, is China's most advanced gun-based close-in weapon system, developed by China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation, for the People's Liberation Army Navy. It evolved from the Type 730, and entered service around 2011. Built for defending modern warships against supersonic and sea-skimming missiles. It features an 11-barrel 30mm Gatling cannon, one of the most powerful CIWS guns ever made. Its firing rate reaches an incredible 10,000 to 11,000 rounds per minute. Using advanced radar, tracking systems, and electro-optical sensors, it can engage missiles, aircraft, drones, and fast boats, at 3 to 5 kilometers away. Its unmatched firepower, rapid reaction, and advanced automation make Type 1130 the deadliest and the most powerful naval gun-based CIWS systems in the world currently in service. And there you have it, 10 best naval gun-based, close-in weapon systems. Hope you enjoyed it. Like the video, share it, and also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching our video. Bye bye.